to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 19 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. I want to be a marine biologist, so I'm studying biology in college and doing internships at aquariums.
I want to be a marine biologist, so I'm studying biology in college and doing internships at aquariums.
What's your favorite color, and why do you like it? My favorite color is blue because it reminds me of the ocean and the sky.
What's your favorite color, and why do you like it? My favorite color is blue because it reminds me of the ocean and the sky.
I love going to the beach and swimming in the ocean.
I love going to the beach and swimming in the ocean.
How did you feel when you saw the surprise party? I was shocked but also really happy to see everyone.
How did you feel when you saw the surprise party? I was shocked but also really happy to see everyone.
I'm going camping with my family and friends, and we'll have a bonfire and roast marshmallows.
I'm going camping with my family and friends, and we'll have a bonfire and roast marshmallows.
I use a planner and make to-do lists to stay on top of everything.
I use a planner and make to-do lists to stay on top of everything.
What's your favorite outdoor activity, and why do you enjoy it? I love going on nature hikes because it allows me to connect with the environment and appreciate the beauty of the outdoors.
What's your favorite outdoor activity, and why do you enjoy it? I love going on nature hikes because it allows me to connect with the environment and appreciate the beauty of the outdoors.
Walking through the forest, I felt a sense of tranquility and connection with nature.
Walking through the forest, I felt a sense of tranquility and connection with nature.
Can you recommend a good restaurant in the area? I'm craving some delicious local cuisine.
Can you recommend a good restaurant in the area? I'm craving some delicious local cuisine.
Despite the rainy weather, we managed to have a fun picnic indoors with board games and laughter.
Despite the rainy weather, we managed to have a fun picnic indoors with board games and laughter.
Are you familiar with the latest technology trends? I'm curious about the advancements in artificial intelligence.
Are you familiar with the latest technology trends? I'm curious about the advancements in artificial intelligence.
Watching the sunrise from the mountaintop was a breathtaking experience I'll never forget.
Watching the sunrise from the mountaintop was a breathtaking experience I'll never forget.
In the job interview, I emphasized my strong problem-solving skills and adaptability to new challenges.
In the job interview, I emphasized my strong problem-solving skills and adaptability to new challenges.
Did you hear about the upcoming concert? I heard the band is known for their energetic performances.
Did you hear about the upcoming concert? I heard the band is known for their energetic performances.
After a long day of sightseeing, I relaxed in the cozy hotel room, enjoying the view from the window.
After a long day of sightseeing, I relaxed in the cozy hotel room, enjoying the view from the window.
Can you lend me a hand with moving the furniture? I'd really appreciate your help.
Can you lend me a hand with moving the furniture? I'd really appreciate your help.
Exploring foreign cultures has always been a passion of mine, and I love trying new foods and learning customs.
Exploring foreign cultures has always been a passion of mine, and I love trying new foods and learning customs.
How do you feel about public speaking? I find it nerve-wracking, but I'm trying to overcome my fear.
How do you feel about public speaking? I find it nerve-wracking, but I'm trying to overcome my fear.
What's your opinion on social media's impact on society? I believe it has both positive and negative effects.
What's your opinion on social media's impact on society? I believe it has both positive and negative effects.
By volunteering at the local shelter, I hope to make a positive difference in the lives of abandoned animals.
By volunteering at the local shelter, I hope to make a positive difference in the lives of abandoned animals.
In the cooking class, we learned to prepare a delectable 3-course meal from scratch.
In the cooking class, we learned to prepare a delectable 3-course meal from scratch.
During the summer, I enjoy participating in water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding.
During the summer, I enjoy participating in water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding.
Navigating through the busy city streets, I marveled at the diverse architecture and vibrant atmosphere.
Navigating through the busy city streets, I marveled at the diverse architecture and vibrant atmosphere.
The thrilling roller coaster ride left me exhilarated and craving more adrenaline-inducing experiences.
The thrilling roller coaster ride left me exhilarated and craving more adrenaline-inducing experiences.
Reflecting on my accomplishments, I feel a sense of pride and gratitude for all the hard work and support.
Reflecting on my accomplishments, I feel a sense of pride and gratitude for all the hard work and support.
Last summer, I went skydiving for the first time, and it was an incredible adrenaline rush.
Last summer, I went skydiving for the first time, and it was an incredible adrenaline rush.
Have you ever been to a concert or a live music performance? Yes, I went to a concert last month, and the band was amazing.
Have you ever been to a concert or a live music performance? Yes, I went to a concert last month, and the band was amazing.
What's your favorite way to relax and distress after a busy day? I like practicing yoga and meditation to calm my mind and relax my body.
What's your favorite way to relax and distress after a busy day? I like practicing yoga and meditation to calm my mind and relax my body.
Yes. I have a cat named Whiskers and a dog named Max.
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers and a dog named Max.
What type of books do you like reading, and who is your favorite author? I enjoy fantasy novels, and J.K. Rowling is my favorite author.
What type of books do you like reading, and who is your favorite author? I enjoy fantasy novels, and J.K. Rowling is my favorite author.
How do you relax after a long day at work or school? I like to listen to music or watch my favorite TV show to unwind.
How do you relax after a long day at work or school? I like to listen to music or watch my favorite TV show to unwind.
I enjoy pop and rock music, and my favorite artist is Ed Sheeran.
I enjoy pop and rock music, and my favorite artist is Ed Sheeran.
I went to the beach last weekend and played volleyball with my friends.
I went to the beach last weekend and played volleyball with my friends.
Do you have a favorite memory from your childhood that you cherish? One of my favorite memories is going on a family road trip and visiting national parks. It was a lot of fun exploring new places together.
Do you have a favorite memory from your childhood that you cherish? One of my favorite memories is going on a family road trip and visiting national parks. It was a lot of fun exploring new places together.
Yes, I recently tried making homemade pizza, and it turned out delicious.
Yes, I recently tried making homemade pizza, and it turned out delicious.
What do you enjoy doing on sunny days? I love going to the beach and swimming in the ocean.
What do you enjoy doing on sunny days? I love going to the beach and swimming in the ocean.
I love autumn because of the colorful leaves, and I enjoy going for walks and taking photos.
I love autumn because of the colorful leaves, and I enjoy going for walks and taking photos.
Have you ever tried a new sport or physical activity for the first time? Yes. I recently tried rock climbing, and it was challenging but so much fun.
Have you ever tried a new sport or physical activity for the first time? Yes, I recently tried rock climbing, and it was challenging but so much fun.
What's your favorite food, and can you cook it yourself? I love sushi, and yes, I can make some simple sushi rolls at home.
What's your favorite food, and can you cook it yourself? I love sushi, and yes, I can make some simple sushi rolls at home.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
When was the last time you went to the beach, and what did you do there? I went to the beach last weekend and played volleyball with my friends.
When was the last time you went to the beach, And what did you do there? I went to the beach last weekend and played volleyball with my friends.
I like reading and painting in my free time.
I like reading and painting in my free time.
What's your dream job, and what steps are you taking to achieve it? I want to be a marine biologist, so I'm studying biology in college and doing internships at aquariums.
What's your dream job, and what steps are you taking to achieve it? I want to be a marine biologist, so I'm studying biology in college and doing internships at aquariums.
I'm thinking of visiting Japan to experience their culture and try the food.
I'm thinking of visiting Japan to experience their culture and try the food.
What are your plans for the weekend? Any special activities? I'm going camping with my family and friends, and we'll have a bonfire and roast marshmallows.
What are your plans for the weekend? Any special activities? I'm going camping with my family and friends, and we'll have a bonfire and roast marshmallows.
What's your favorite subject in school or your favorite topic to study? I love history because learning about the past helps me understand the present better.
What's your favorite subject in school or your favorite topic to study? I love history because learning about the past helps me understand the present better.
How do you stay organized with your schoolwork or job tasks? I use a planner and make to-do lists to stay on top of everything.
How do you stay organized with your schoolwork or job tasks? I use a planner and make to-do lists to stay on top of everything.
Have you ever participated in a sports competition or any sports event? Yes, I used to play soccer in high school, and our team won the championship.
Have you ever participated in a sports competition or any sports event? Yes, I used to play soccer in high school, and our team won the championship.
What's something you'd like to learn or improve upon in the future? I want to learn how to play a musical instrument, like the guitar.
What's something you'd like to learn or improve upon in the future? I want to learn how to play a musical instrument, like the guitar.
What's your favorite holiday, and how do you usually celebrate it? Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I celebrate it by decorating the house, exchanging gifts, and having a big family dinner.
What's your favorite holiday, and how do you usually celebrate it? Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I celebrate it by decorating the house, exchanging gifts, and having a big family dinner.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.